Hello everyone, it's me again. Today we're going to talk about a topic that many people are struggling with: back pain caused by a herniated disc. This is not only a problem for older adults, but also for young office workers. Don't worry, because today I'll share 5 very simple and effective exercises that can help relieve pain instantly and prevent this condition from coming back. What is a herniated disc? Imagine our spinal disc like a sandwich. When we sit in the wrong posture, lift heavy objects incorrectly, or as we age, the outer layer of this sandwich can tear, causing the filling inside to bulge out and press on the nerves. That's what creates the painful sensation. The exercises I'm about to share not only reduce pressure on the discs, but also strengthen the surrounding muscles, giving your spine better support. Exercise 1. Bird dog. Starting position. Get down on your hands and knees, keeping your back straight. Movement. Inhale and slowly raise your right arm and left leg, keeping your back and hips straight. Exhale, lower them, and switch sides. Benefits: strengthens the lower back and abdominal muscles, helping stabilize the spine. Exercise 2. Knee to chest. Starting position. Lie on your back, bend both knees, and hold them with your hands. Movement. Pull your knees toward your chest, hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Relax and repeat. Benefits: stretches the spine and reduces pressure on the discs. Exercise 3. Cat-cow pose. Starting position, same as bird dog, on your hands and knees. Movement: inhale, arch your back downward and lift your head. Cow pose. Exhale, round your back upward and lower your head. Cat pose. Benefits: increases spinal flexibility and relieves tension in the back. Exercise 4. Bridge pose. Starting position, lie on your back, bend your knees, place your feet flat on the floor, arms at your sides. Movement: inhale, slowly lift your hips upward, tightening your glutes and core. Hold for a few seconds, then exhale and lower your hips. Benefits: strengthens the glutes and hamstrings, providing better support for the spine. Exercise 5. Swiss ball back extension. Starting position, lie face down on a Swiss ball, feet on the floor for balance. Movement: place your hands behind your head and slowly lift your upper body, keeping your back straight. Benefits: strengthens both upper and lower back muscles and improves posture. Important reminders: always listen to your body and don't push too hard. Breathe steadily throughout each exercise. Do a light warm-up before and stretch after your workout. Be consistent and practice these exercises daily. These exercises only help relieve pain. They do not replace medical advice. If the pain is severe, consult a doctor immediately. I hope these 5 exercises will help you improve back pain caused by a herniated disc. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss upcoming helpful videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll answer them. See you all next time.